Are you still using black strobe for this black effect? But what if I tell you that you can make this Capcut-like effect just on Inshot through an effect? Shocking, right? Let's see how to make it.
Import the clip, then go on Effects. Click on Black Effect. Set interval to 0 and adjust the strength accordingly. After extending it to the end of the clip, export it in the settings same as mine. Import clip. Go on Effects and select NVG. Set its value to 0. Extend it till the end. And export. Import your clip. Go on Background and make the background blur. After that, go on Opacity and adjust. After adjusting, export. Import your clip. Go on Effects and select HDR. Adjust. Extend it till the end of the clip. And copy. Click on Object. Move both to all. Then go on Filter. Click Adjust. Do the settings same as mine. And export. That's it for now. Another tutorial soon. Bye.